In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passport size photo in Canva. We'll walk through this together from a blank screen to a finished 2x2 inch passport photo ready to print or save. All you need is an internet connection, a Canva account, and a clear photo of yourself that follows the usual passport rules. Plain background, good lighting, and your face clearly visible. First, open your browser and go to the Canva website. Once you're on the Canva homepage and logged in, look for the button that says Create a Design. It's usually near the top right of the screen. Click on that. Instead of choosing one of the suggested templates, we're going to set up our own exact dimensions. From the drop-down, select Custom Size. This is important because passport photos need to be very specific in size, and Custom Size lets you control that precisely. When the Custom Size box appears, make sure the unit is set to inches, not pixels or centimeters. You can change the unit from the small drop-down next to the numbers. Now, in the width box, type 2, and in the height box, type 2 as well, so you have 2x2 inches. This is the standard passport size in many countries. If you're following different requirements, you can adjust the numbers, but for this tutorial, we'll stick with 2x2. Once that's entered, click on the button that says Create New Design. Canva will open a new blank canvas that's exactly passport size. Next, it's time to bring in your photo. On the left-hand side panel, click on Uploads, then choose Upload Files. Select the photo from your computer or device that you want to use as your passport picture. After it finishes uploading, click on the image and it will appear on your 2x2 canvas. Drag the corners to resize it until your head and shoulders are framed nicely, leaving a bit of space above your head and around the sides. To give it a clean, professional look, we'll remove the background. With the photo selected, look at the top toolbar and click on Edit Photo. Then choose Background Remover. Canva will process the image and remove whatever is behind you. Once it's done, you'll have a neat cutout of yourself. You can place this on a plain white or light colored background to match typical passport requirements. When you're happy with the alignment and spacing, you're done. You've just created a passport size photo in Canva.